Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook indirect heat on a charcoal grill. This method uses a clever setup, positioning your food away from the direct flames, allowing it to cook gently. It is ideal for larger items, ensuring they cook through evenly without charring the outside. You will achieve tender, juicy results every single time, making your barbecue truly remarkable. To begin, arrange your charcoal briquettes on just one side of the grill grate, forming a distinct hot zone. Leave the opposite side completely empty. On this empty side, place a foil drip pan directly beneath the cooking grate. This pan will collect any juices or fats, preventing flare-ups and making cleanup simple. It creates the perfect environment for gentle, indirect cooking. Maintaining a consistent temperature is crucial for indirect cooking. Adjust your grill's bottom vents to control the air supply. Closing them slightly reduces the heat. Keep the top vent fully open above your food to allow hot air to circulate and exit smoothly. Aim for a steady temperature, often around 275 to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, using an accurate grill thermometer to monitor it. This method shines for larger items like whole chickens, racks of ribs, or substantial roasts. You can even use it to finish thick steaks after an initial sear. Place your food directly over the drip pan, allowing the radiant heat to work its magic slowly. Cooking times will vary, often ranging from 1 to 4 hours, but the result is always incredibly tender, juicy, and perfectly cooked food every single time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.